Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to copy a table from Excel and paste as a picture in Word. At first, right click mouse, then click more commands, select all commands and find the camera screenshot. We can see this camera, then add camera, already added this, then OK. Then again open your Excel document, then select this camera and paste. And step 2, firstly remove this. Step 2, go to search bar and type snaping tool. Drag this, save the image, save the desktop file and copy this image, copy or Control C, then Control V. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Thank you.